Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name's Julie, and today I'm going to show you the best way to clean your beauty sponge so that you can take it from this to this. It's easy, it's cheap, it's quick, it leaves your sponge perfectly clean and helps it to last as long as possible. So all you're going to need is warm water and a clear facial bar of soap. This is the Neutrogena transparent facial bar and it's unscented. This one works perfectly and you can find it just about anywhere and it's super affordable. So first you're going to warm up the water a little bit and you're going to thoroughly soak your sponge. Squeeze it under the water a few times to make sure that it's completely saturated with water. Make sure to keep the sponge underwater after you release the squeeze to ensure that it's full of as much water as possible. You're also going to want to slip that bar of soap under the water to make sure it's nice and slippery. Then, without squeezing any of the water out of the sponge, take it and begin to gently work the dirtiest parts of the sponge into the bar of soap in circular motions. As you're doing this, the sponge is going to lose some of that water, so make sure to regularly re-soak it. Don't squeeze the sponge out yet, just keep it full of water and work the soap into the sponge one dirty area at a time. Allow the soap to really sink into the sponge because it's going to both dissolve and loosen up all of the makeup that's in your sponge. Once you've got the sponge nice and soapy, give it a little bit of time to really sink in. You're going to begin to squeeze the sponge out. Don't pull, rub, or tug on the sponge, just squeeze it out. After this, repeat these steps again until your sponge is looking nice and clean. Once you're done, your sponge is ready to use again. I clean my sponge every single time I do my makeup. It's important to do this not only so that you can get the best makeup application possible, but also because sponges are notorious for holding on to bacteria, so cleaning our tools regularly is a must. I hope that you found this video helpful. If you did, go ahead and give me a thumbs up. Also, if you try this out and haven't tried it before, make sure to leave me a comment down below and let me know how it worked for you. I would love to hear your feedback. Thank you so much for taking the time to watch this video. I hope that you'll stick around and watch more, and don't forget to subscribe on your way out. I hope to see you guys in my next video. Bye.